Imagine flying in a plane that feels less like an aircraft and more like a floating palace in the sky. Not just luxury, but unimaginable wealth stitched into every single detail, from the gold-plated fixtures to the private suites that rival the world's best hotels. Today, we're stepping inside the $800 million private jet of the Saudi Crown Prince, a flying masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just a jet, it's a kingdom above the clouds. Let's be honest, most of us think of private jets as small luxury planes, sleek and comfortable, maybe seating a dozen people. But this jet, it's a Boeing 747 transformed into a jaw-dropping palace, customized beyond belief. The Crown Prince didn't just buy a jet, he reimagined the skies as his personal playground. And trust me, when you hear what's inside, you'll realize this isn't just about travel, it's about power, influence, and a statement to the entire world. At first glance, from the outside, the aircraft still resembles the iconic Boeing 747. It's huge, towering over regular commercial planes, but what makes it special isn't its size, it's what has been done to it. The exterior may look standard, but once those doors open, it's like stepping into another world. The interior design is breathtaking. Think golden accents everywhere, rare marble imported from across the globe, hand-woven silk carpets, and walls carved with intricate Islamic art and calligraphy. Each corner feels like it was crafted not just for comfort, but for majesty. And it's not surprising. The designers of this jet were given an almost unlimited budget to make it one of the most luxurious flying experiences ever built. Now imagine walking through it. You're not stepping into cramped aisles or narrow seats. Instead, you enter a massive reception hall, bigger than some hotel lobbies. This isn't a space for waiting. It's a space for royalty. High ceilings, chandeliers glittering overhead, and couches arranged like a five-star lounge. Every detail screams luxury. Then comes the conference room. Yes, because when you're the Crown Prince, business doesn't pause at 30,000 feet. The conference area is designed like the headquarters of a global empire, fitted with the latest communication systems, video conferencing technology, and secure networks. It's a floating command center, ensuring no deal or negotiation ever gets delayed because of travel. But business is just one side of it. There are personal living quarters, each designed with elegance and comfort. We're talking multiple bedrooms, private bathrooms lined with gold-plated fixtures, and even spa-style showers. These suites aren't just for rest. They're designed as sanctuaries in the sky. And then there's the Crown Prince's private suite. This isn't just a bedroom. It's a royal chamber complete with a king-sized bed, fine linens, entertainment systems, and a design that reflects Arabian heritage fused with modern luxury. For most people, the idea of sleeping on a plane is uncomfortable. For the prince, it's like sleeping in a palace, no turbulence or noise ever breaking the peace. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The jet isn't just luxurious, it's technological. This aircraft is fitted with advanced security systems, designed to protect one of the most powerful leaders in the world. From anti-missile technology to encrypted communication lines, this plane is as much a fortress as it is a palace. Imagine James Bond technology, but on steroids, and yes, the amenities go far beyond basics. There's a private cinema on board. Picture watching the latest blockbuster not in a cramped seat with tiny headphones, but in a theater-style room with reclining chairs and surround sound, all while soaring through the skies at 600 miles per hour. Hungry? Forget airplane food. This jet has multiple kitchens equipped to serve gourmet meals prepared by world-class chefs, fine dining in the clouds, complete with gold-trimmed cutlery and menus rivaling Michelin-star restaurants. Whether it's traditional Saudi dishes or international cuisines, everything can be served fresh. And of course, entertainment isn't limited to a cinema. The plane is equipped with lounges, relaxation spaces, and even prayer rooms designed with intricate detailing, providing spiritual peace while traveling. It's more than comfort, it's culture and faith embedded in the design. The cost of customization is staggering. To put things in perspective, a standard Boeing 747 might cost around $350 million brand new. The modifications to this jet added nearly $500 million more. That's hundreds of millions spent purely on design, luxury, and security. For context, that's more than the cost of most luxury skyscrapers. It's not just transportation. It's a moving empire. Now you might be wondering, why would anyone need a plane like this? The answer lies in what it represents. For the Saudi crown prince, this jet isn't just about traveling from point A to point B. It's about projecting power and status. It shows the world that Saudi Arabia's leadership doesn't just operate with influence on the ground, but also carries that influence into the skies. There's also practicality. Leaders of nations need secure, private, and fully equipped transportation. Commercial flights aren't an option, and while many world leaders have official planes, very few compare to the sheer extravagance of this one. Air Force One, for example, is advanced and secure, but doesn't lean into gold-plated luxury. This Saudi jet blends both worlds, security and opulence. Let's break down some numbers to make this more real. $800 million. That's enough to buy over 40 Gulfstream G650s, which themselves are considered ultra-luxurious private jets. It's enough to purchase multiple superyachts or even a small island, yet all of that was invested into one flying palace. And what does this mean for aviation? It raises the bar of what luxury flying can be. Billionaires may own sleek private jets, but this sets a new level, showing that the sky has no limits when it comes to wealth. In fact, aircraft like this inspire designers worldwide, sparking ideas for the next generation of flying mansions. One of the most fascinating details is how the jet balances tradition with innovation. You'll find high-tech systems right alongside cultural touches. For instance, prayer rooms that can adjust to always face Mecca no matter where the plane is flying. That's not just luxury. It's deeply personal, connecting faith and technology in a way few aircraft ever attempt. And then there's the crew. Operating a jet of this scale isn't like flying a small private jet with 2 pilots and a flight attendant. This aircraft requires a full staff: pilots, engineers, chefs, attendants, and security personnel. It's like running a small hotel in the sky, ensuring everything runs smoothly, from gourmet meals to secure communications. What's truly mind-blowing is that this isn't even the only luxury jet in the royal fleet. Saudi royalty is known for having multiple aircraft, each outfitted for different purposes. But this one stands out as the crown jewel, the most expensive, the most extravagant, the most talked about. So let's imagine for a moment what it would feel like to actually fly on this jet. You're reclining in a gold-trimmed lounge chair, sipping coffee brewed to perfection, glancing out of windows that feel more like luxury hotel panels than airplane glass. Around you, attendants serve gourmet meals while others adjust the lighting to match the perfect ambience. You're thousands of feet in the air, but it doesn't feel like flying. It feels like floating through luxury itself. And yet, it's not just comfort, it's safety. With state-of-the-art defense systems, the prince can travel anywhere in the world with confidence. The jet becomes both sanctuary and shield, allowing him to conduct affairs without compromise. For the rest of us, of course, this is far beyond reach, but that's what makes it fascinating. It gives us a window into a lifestyle that exists at the very peak of luxury and power. It's not just about money, it's about influence, culture, and the art of creating something no one else has. At the end of the day, this $800 million private jet of the Saudi crown prince is more than transportation. It's a symbol of wealth, leadership, and vision. It's proof that when you mix tradition, technology, and unlimited resources, you can literally reshape the skies. Now, here's the fun part. What do you think about this flying palace? Is it an inspiring example of innovation and ambition, or do you think it's an excessive display of wealth? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your opinions in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extravagant private jets on the planet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more luxury and tech stories from around the world. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and let me know what other topics you'd like us to explore next. Because one thing's for sure, the world of luxury and technology never stops surprising us, and there's always another incredible story waiting just over the horizon.